These Doodle ASMR videos are trending on social media right now. So why am I telling you that these kinds of videos are going viral on social media? Just take a look at the account. Right now, these SMR videos have gotten an absolutely mind-blowing number of views, more than we could have ever imagined. You can see it for yourself. So do we really need any other reason to prove how much people love these videos? And if you check out the other account as well, you'll see that these videos have racked up millions of views. That speaks for itself. But here's the best part. I haven't even seen this level of growth on YouTube yet. To put it simply, this is one of the most competitive niches out there. And the good news is, starting today with the video I'm about to show you, you can create videos just like this and quickly launch your very own faceless channel. I'm going to teach you the easiest method today to make these kinds of videos. Trust me, it's not as hard as you think. So let's get started and see exactly how you can make a video like this, the easy way. First, head over to the AI Century website. I've dropped the links to every single website I use today down in the description so you can access them easily. Once you're on the site, click on the GPT Libra option. After that, just search for Doodle ASMR in the search bar. Then you'll land on a page like this. Here you'll see 4 options. Click on Start Arrow Show Me the Scene arrow menu. From there, you can choose the path and the scene you want. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Path 1 and Scene 1. Next, type 1 + 1 here and hit enter. The tool will now give you both the image prompt and the video animation prompt for Scene 1. Now, to generate the image and video for free, we're going to use Google Flow, another AI tool. Click on New Project. From the bottom menu, select Image. Choose your aspect ratio, pick the AI model you like, and adjust the settings. Then, copy the image prompt that we got from the GPT Libra model and paste it here. Just hit the arrow button and within a few seconds your image will be generated. After that, click on this button here and select Animate. Now copy the animation/video prompt and paste it in here. You can also adjust the video settings to your liking. I'm going to generate this one as well, and just like before, you can repeat the exact same process for the rest of your scenes. So here's our final video. Using this exact same website and workflow, you can generate all the remaining images and videos for your project step by step. Now, go back to the site, enter the command for your next image, and it will give you the next image prompt and video prompt. Then just run it through Google Flow the same way. I'm going to quickly generate all my images and videos now using this method. Okay, I generated all of my video scenes and downloaded from 720p. Now let's see the editing part. Import all video clips to the CapCut and add first scene to last scene to the timeline. Next, add suitable transitions among the video clips to more attractive. I am add for all. Next, add suitable background music like this. And if you can add effects or filters. Alright, now, export the final video. I think today's video will helpful you to know how to create videos like these. And thanks for watching. We will meet the next video.